how to give a cat medication. This is Ming. Ming is a seal point wedgehead Siamese. Our vet tells us that Siamese have a higher instance of feline asthma and are interestingly more resistant to treatment. So Ming's on steroids, not the kind that help you bulk up, he's already 17 pounds, but the kind that help you breathe easier. This is his medication, one solid tablet once a day that delivers 5 milligrams of prednisone. Now if your cat is anything like this cat, they won't put anything in their mouth that they don't want to. You try sprinkling it on tuna and it still doesn't work. But there's a very humane and effective way to administer medication to a cat. So here's what you're going to need. A towel, a knife, the medication of course, 2 different kinds of meat-based baby food, and a spoon. You'll also need 1 finger and 1 countertop. First, sequester any other kitties you may have in the house, because once they hear the baby food lid hit the counter, it's going to be a feeding frenzy because they know what's coming. This is Ming's buddy Sai. Sai's going to his room for a minute. So let's get started. First, open up the jars of baby food. Cats love baby food and it's high in protein. We figure if it's good enough for a baby, it's good enough for a kitty. Now we're going to use 1 flavor, veal, to mix with the medicine. We always use the same flavor because the kitty will associate that flavor with the medicine and it'll no longer be a tasty treat. We've chosen veal as our kitty's medicine mixer because it smells like the strongest flavor to us and we want it to cover up the taste as much as possible. We'll use the other flavor, in this case turkey, to reward the kitty afterwards. Now get the dose ready. 1 pill once a day. Use your knife to cut the pill in half. There's usually a score on the pill right here. And then use the flat edge of the knife to crush the medicine. Sweep the powder into a pile, and you're ready to go. At this point, you need the kitty. Now, some kitties are comfortable with being cradled like a baby, like Ming. If your kitty isn't, you can use the towel to catch him. Come here, buddy. And swaddle him just like a little baby. This will prevent your eyes from getting clawed out. Now Ming has done this enough times to know that if he cooperates, he gets a reward, so we don't really need the towel. Now that the kitty is secure and cradled in one arm, use a free finger to mix the baby food with the medicine. You want to get just enough baby food to make a paste. Now here's the important part. Simply put your finger up under kitty's lip and swipe back to the corner of his mouth, and look at that. He does the rest of the work. Believe it or not, this is really a one-person job because you have the best angle this way. We've tried it with 2 people and you just can't get the best angle. Now you should be able to give kitty all the medicine in 2 or 3 swipes. This is why you don't want to use any more baby food than is absolutely necessary. One more swipe, buddy. Good boy. Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Now it's time for the kitty's reward. Now don't use the same flavor you used for the medicine. For the treat, we're using turkey. Turkey. Tasty. And that's how to give a kitty medicine. Good luck.